Mark Greenwald. I am an attorney in town at Cross Brown Todd, and I helped put together this H.E.L.P project, Housing Coalition project, to go to work with the St. John Center, work with legal aid to provide legal services to the homeless men at this facility. Give a little history. 10 months ago, I was attending an American Bar Association meeting in California and heard Federal Judge Jay Zaney give an impassioned presentation about the homeless plight in America and what he and his brethren lawyers across the country were doing about it. His main theme was that lawyers have a special gift, a special place in society that could be used to help homeless men and women remove the legal barriers to finding a safe, permanent, and stable home. At that time, I was reminded of the calling that President John F. Kennedy had and he made in the early 1960s when blacks were being denied the right to vote. President Kennedy knew who would be able to help these people, and he simply made a calling, and that calling out, he said, "Where are all the lawyers?" After Judge Zaney's speech in California, I came back to Louisville and I just filed it away. It's really a shame. And a few weeks later, a man by the name of Kenneth Winfield, a homeless man, died on the steps of the St. John Center, just a few feet away from here. Mr. Winfield was married, he had a teenage son, and he would have celebrated his 50th birthday on May 6th of this year. I'm married, I have a teenage son, and I had the privilege of being allowed to celebrate my 50th birthday on May 5th of this year. When he died, I realized something had to be done, and it didn't take much. The lawyers in this town came running when asked. In all, so far, we have nearly 60 attorneys who have signed up to be trained to help the men at this center. And with the continued support of these attorneys, the American Bar Association, my law firm Cross Brown Todd, the Legal Aid Society, the City of Louisville, and the Louisville Bar Association, we hope to double that number in the next year and expand to a local women's shelter.